A factory reset restores your Spectrum modem to its original manufacturer settings, erasing custom configurations, Wi-Fi passwords, and network settings. This is a last resort troubleshooting step for persistent disconnections, IP conflicts, or post-upgrade errors. It's different from a simple reboot, power cycle, which only clears temporary cache. Spectrum now offers app-based soft resets and diagnostics, but full factory resets still require hardware interaction. Reset your modem only after trying simpler solutions like power cycling. Back up your settings beforehand to avoid losing custom configurations. Performing a reset may disconnect smart home devices or require repairing. There are two primary methods for factory resetting your Spectrum modem: the hardware reset button and the software web UI approach. The reset button method is hardware-based. Most modems have a small, recessed reset button on the back or side. First, ensure the modem is powered on and connected to the coax cable. Use a paperclip to press and hold the reset button until the online light flashes, which typically takes 10 to 15 seconds. Release the button and wait 2 to 5 minutes for the modem to reboot and self-configure. Then reconnect your devices and reconfigure Wi-Fi settings. This method is ideal when the modem's software is unresponsive or you've forgotten the admin password. The web UI method is software-based. Connect a device to the modem's Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Open a web browser and enter the modem's IP address, usually 192.168.100.1 or 192.168.0.1. Log in with the admin credentials, which are default admin's password or found on the modem sticker. Navigate to Advanced Settings, then Administration, and select Factory Reset. Confirm the reset and wait for the modem to reset. Use the hardware button method if you are unable to access the web UI.